Hello guys, it's over with Opus 4.5 Vibe Coding 1. It's time everybody transitions into agentic coding. There is no more coding manually. I built all of this in just a couple of minutes with a few of the agents. I'm using anti-gravity, I'm using Cloud Code, and I'm using Open Code, all of them working together at the same time, just doing stuff. So if we just look at, I prompted it to make a course page, and you see how good it looks. Let me check the dashboard. Oh my god, that's crazy. This is crazy. This is so good. I can go ahead and click all of this stuff. There is no videos. I'm gonna be recording videos. I think it's done. I think Vibe Coding 1, I think it's just done. It's so easy how I did it. I just went to Convex, npm create convex. I just followed the instructions and then vibe coded the rest. It's so easy. Let's start a completely new project. I will just tell it create Fiverr competitor website platform startup and let Opus do its magic. I literally have 3 separate tools going on right now. Guys, you have to use this opportunity. It's over. This is huge. I think people don't understand how huge this is. This is built with just 5 minutes of it running. Just 5 minutes, we already have this. If I click here, we have all of this stuff. This is crazy. It's absolutely insane how good this is. I'm telling you guys, it's done. It's over. I just told Opus to add more stuff. I just want to see what it does. This is the landing page. It's so good. It's so well done. If I just scroll down, you'll see that it has everything. It has so much stuff. And then become a seller. It has all of this. And if I just go ahead and click here, it has this very nice thing. I'm doing absolutely nothing. It's just running for 5 to 10 minutes. I also told it to make edit page. You see how we did all of this? It's just a few minutes of waiting. Now Opus 4.5 is set to be able to fix all of these bugs that appear. And it's 2 times, they say it's like 2 times better than any other model. I think that's gonna be it for this quick video, and see you in the next one. You can check my school to become AI researcher with all of the courses we have here. Just $9. Link below the video.